Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana Live classes. Today I am going to discuss 6th class Unit 2B, one beautiful poem written by Sarojini Naidu, our Nightingale of India, that is in the Bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, so in the Bazaars of Hyderabad, that poem, it's very beautifully explained by the poet that is the beauty of the Hyderabad and also the wealth of our country, the riches of our country is explained very carefully and also very skillfully. Okay, if you read the poem, you will come to know that how much beautifully the poet has explained the Bazaars of Hyderabad. Bazaars is nothing but the streets. Okay, so now some questions are also given for us in this small poem. That is, I'll read the question. What is the poet talking about in the first stanza? The poetess talks about the merchants' wares that are richly displayed. All the merchants' wares is nothing but their products are the selling goods. So they were richly displayed in the bazaars of Hyderabad. That is the speciality. And what is that you like the most about the poem? Which thing you like the most about the poem? I like the way the poet is covering all sections of sellers in Hyderabad bazaars and the different things they sell. So what is the greatness of this poem is that why I like this poem especially because the way the poet is covering all sections, the way of writing the poem, how this poet has covered all the different types of sellers and their goods, their wares, or these products, whatever we call, so that all the sections she had covered in the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, and the different things they sell, whatever they sell in the market, they have given everything and they have mentioned very carefully. Next question, pick out the words or phrases that describe the grandeur of the market. Grandeur is nothing but the greatness of the market. The sale of precious stones, gold, ivory, spices, etc. reveal the grandeur of the market. The gold, the ivory, the spices. Spices means here that cardamom, cinnamon, okay, that all the spices they will sell on the markets of this Hyderabad, and this is in the bazaars of Hyderabad. So gold, ivory, this all precious things they will sell in the market in the bazaars of Hyderabad. That tells that reveals that the grandeur of that market, the greatness of this market. It is telling by means here by this all the words we can say that this is very grandeur of the market. Next one. What impression do you form of the market? So what impression we will get means here the market is a place where the riches as well as the poor can afford to buy the needs and necessities. What is the speciality of this market means here not only the rich people but poor also can buy this. They can also afford means here for all types of people can buy this all the necessities whatever they need. So that is the speciality of this bazaars of Hyderabad market. Next question, when you happen to visit the bazaars of Hyderabad, what things from the poem come to your mind? When you visit Hyderabad the streets, what things will come to your mind? When what you will remind in your mind? We said what memories will come across in your mind? When I happen to visit bazaars of Hyderabad, I recall the streets with vendors selling the fruits. First thing is the fruit sellers we will remind, and then the goldsmiths working on the gold ornaments and the merchants selling their fine garments. So this all the things will come in our mind when visit the Hyderabad bazaars. Okay, ma? So the next session is the meanings for the given words. This is the second bit. Write the meanings of the given words. Here, ivory is the word in the poem. Ivory, frail, scabbards, azure, tassels, and different kinds of different words used that can explain the beauty of our Hyderabad, the greatness of our Hyderabad. Okay, ivory is nothing but the yellowish white bone that an elephant's tusk is made of. So with the elephant's tusk, this ivory articles that things will be made of. Okay, next frail. What is the meaning of frail? Thin and delicate. Very delicate things will be called as a frail. Scabbards means a cover for the blade of a sword or a dagger. Okay, for a dagger means this much a small size, it will be sharp knife. The covering of that scabbard the covering of this sword or dagger will be called as a scabbards. Next, azure means a bright blue color, that will be called as a azure. Okay, some kinds of stones. Okay, and tassels means a group of strings tied together at one end and fastened to clothing or objects for decoration. Okay, that is called as tassels. A group of strings. Strings is nothing but the threads. They will tie together at one end and fasten to other side of the object, that is for decoration. That will be called as tassels. Okay, so these are the meanings for us today in this small poem in the bazaars of Hyderabad, which was written by that great poetess of our country, that is Sarojini Naidu. Her title was the Nightingale of India. Okay, so this is the session for today. We will meet again in another session of our classes. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.